Introduction to Notion Mobile for Studying.
Notion's mobile app offers powerful features to help students stay organized. With everything syncing across devices, you can capture notes, create lists, and manage study tasks on the go. In this tutorial, we'll explore practical steps to structure your study materials and keep your workflow smooth using Notion's mobile interface.
Setting up a workspace for study notes.
Start by creating a dedicated workspace for your courses or subjects. Use pages for each class and subpages for topics or chapters. This keeps materials organized and makes it easy to locate notes when reviewing. You can customize icons and covers to visually distinguish classes, helping you find information faster.
Building effective note templates.
Save time by designing note templates for lectures and readings. Add headings for key points, summary sections, and space for questions. On Notion Mobile, templates can be duplicated quickly for each new session, ensuring your notes stay consistent and easy to review, even when you're away from your computer.
Organizing tasks and deadlines.
Use to-do lists and databases to manage assignments and exam dates. On your phone, quickly add tasks as soon as you hear about them. Set reminders for important deadlines. Databases let you filter tasks by subject or due date, keeping your workload manageable and helping you prioritize effectively.
Syncing and reviewing on the go.
Notion Mobile automatically syncs your content so you can access and update study materials anytime, anywhere. Whether you're commuting or studying at a cafe, quickly review notes, tick off completed tasks, or brainstorm ideas. Keeping your information updated on mobile ensures nothing slips through the cracks.
Tips for staying organized with Notion Mobile.
Stay efficient by reviewing and updating your Notion workspace regularly. Archive old notes to reduce clutter, and use search or tags to find topics instantly. Set short daily sessions to check tasks and capture new information. With just a few minutes each day, Notion Mobile can become your ultimate study companion.